Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a Mojave Silver Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This one does come with the illuminated star up front, which lights up. 18-inch split 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior, panel sunroof. Coming around back, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, an LED logo which appears when you open up the door, illuminated door sills, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, ambient lighting, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, a 10.25 media display, which is touchscreen. New to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX, which is Mercedes-Benz User Experience Artificial Intelligence. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes." Turn ambient light to red.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
And as simple as that, you're able to give it voice commands and it will do so. Also included is our parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB port, our new touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 5,531 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.